Hey Miss S. This is my video for my content binder. I actually had to put everything in two separate binders because I could not find bigger than a 1.5 inch, and so I just separated it. So in my first binder, I have your course schedule and all of this, which I like because I can see the things we were going to evaluate, and if I ever want to go back and look at it, I'll kind of know where it is. So in math, I have the TEKS for elementary school, just all of elementary. I think you printed this for us. And then I have the mathematics competencies. I really would like to know where you got yours from because yours have like all of these helpful paragraphs and just extra things that makes it easier to comprehend and know what the competency actually means. And the ones I found are not like that. I'll show you in just a minute. But anyway, so I have the TEKS, the competencies, and the educator generalist standards for math from early childhood through 6th grade. And then right here I put the STAR test that we took, and actually it printed out, and then I printed the rationale and put that with it. And I also have English language arts in this binder. I only have two because math and English language arts seems to take up a lot of space, so I'll have the other ones in the other binder. But anyways, so under English language arts I have the TEKS for elementary school, which is a big chunk, and then I have the competencies here, and I have the generalist standards here. So that's a pretty big chunk too. So I can use that for test prep. And then this is my second binder, and I have social studies, science, and fine arts in it. And social studies, I have the TEKS for elementary school. I have the competencies up here in the front. And then I also printed out the citizenship test and put that in here because I saw we were going to do that at one point and I just wanted to have it. Then the next one is science, and these were our picture notes in class, and so I left that in here. And I also put the STAR test in here for grade 8. And then I have the competencies right here, and I have all these tabs to show me where 1, 2, 3, 4, all of those are, just for easy reference. And then this is just a different version of the competencies, and I have the generalist standards. I have the TEKS, they're saved in my computer. I guess I just forgot to print those and put them in here, but I can do that right after this video. And then the last tab is, well, it's not the last tab, but I have the fine arts TEKS right here, and I have the fine arts competencies right here. And then this is really my last tab. I had to do it out of construction paper, which is fine. But these are all the additional resources that you gave us in class, and some that I printed out, like the blooms. And I love this verb chart. I used this so much when we were planning, when we were comparing the TEKS competencies and standards. And then your article about can assessments motivate, summarizing nonfiction text. This was our PPR, like pretend questions. I think you said you didn't come up with these, but they're really tricky. We went over it in class. And then the Madeline Hunter lesson plan format, KWL, growth mindset lesson plan, picture notes, we learn by doing, TELPAS, and that's it. And I also wanted to show you, I got this folder and this spiral in addition to the strategy notebook, so that way I can really take tests and use all of this for my test prep for PPR and the content exam, because I'm sure I'm going to be referencing this a lot and there's going to be more materials that I need to print out. So I should have enough room to do it. I may have to get another binder, but that's the plan. So there are my content binders. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much. Bye.